Hello, today's lesson is about subject in English. A complete simple sentence in English has a subject. The subject in the sentence names whom or what the sentence is about. The subject does something or is or has something. In the sentence, subject is a person or a thing that does the action. Look at these examples. Rose has a boat. Here subject has something. He writes an essay. Subject does an action. I am a teacher. Subject is something or someone. Subject can be pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, and also a noun like Tom and John, or a noun phrase like my mother's name. Look at these examples. Nikki is my friend. Nikki, subject, and it is a noun. We are colleagues. We, here is subject, and it is pronoun. My mother's name is Nancy. My mother's name is subject, and it is noun phrase. What is exactly subject question? When we don't know the person or thing who performed the action and we want to find out. Do not use the auxiliary verbs like do, does, and did. Examples: Jane likes cat. Who likes the cat? Pollution causes cancer. What causes cancer? I want to talk about dummy subject. Dummy subjects such as it and the. Dummy subject is fake, unreal, or artificial. They don't actually refer to anything. Look at this example. It is interesting to learn English. It here is not talking about anything specific. Just shift focus from real subject, that is learning English, to interesting. Look at this another dummy subject. There plus to be verb means exist. There are 5 chairs in this class. There is dummy subject. 5 chairs, it is a real subject. Quick recap of what we have learned today. Number 1, the subject does something or is or has something. In the sentence, subject is a person or a thing that does the action. And the next, subject can be pronoun like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, and also a noun like Tom, John, or a noun phrase like my mother's name. And the other, dummy subject is fake, unreal, or artificial. They don't actually refer to anything. There are 2 of them, it and there. And the other will learn subject question. And the next thing I'm going to teach you is about object. What is an object? What is a direct object? What is an indirect object? An object is a noun, noun phrase, or a pronoun like me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them, that is affected by the action of a verb. There are 2 kinds of object, direct and indirect object. Direct object is a noun, pronoun, and noun phrase that shows who or what received the action of a transitive verb and subject acts upon. How to find object in sentence with whom and what. Alan loves swimming. Alan loves what? Swimming. Direct object. He can't break the law. He can't break what? Direct object is the law. Everybody loves Adele. Everybody loves whom? Direct object. More examples. John studied biology. John studied what? Biology. Biology is a noun, and here is our direct object. Kate loves driving a car. Driving a car is direct object and it is noun phrase. I called him. Him is a pronoun, object pronoun, and here is direct object. The indirect object is the noun or pronoun affected by the action. Indirect object answers the question to whom. You can think of an indirect object as the recipient of the direct object. Examples: I gave him my car. Here, my car is my direct object. Him is indirect object. She explained me the question. What is the question? It is direct object, and me is indirect object. And the last one, Alan threw me the ball. The ball is direct object, me is indirect object. As a result, an object is a noun, noun phrase, or a pronoun, me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them, that is affected by the action of a verb. Direct object is a noun, pronoun, and a noun phrase that shows who or what received the action of a transitive verb and subject acts upon. The indirect object is the noun or pronoun affected by the action. Thank you for watching.